Hello guys, today I have a new wedding project, Wedding Day. Let's download the project, link given in description. I have this project. So after download, extract the project file. Password given in video, watch full video and get password. This is the project folder. Now check the project folder. This is the project file, photo placeholder. Now open the After Effects. My After Effects is open. Now open the downloaded project file. Open project, desktop, Wedding Day After Effects prints, Wedding Day After Effects prints, and open. Check the project. We need to check because sometimes any file is missing. My project file will be not missing, but it's important to check before use. Okay, it's complete now, done. Let's open the Photoshop. Now drag and drop the photo placeholder in Photoshop. Open the project folder, placeholder. Now drag and drop these images in Photoshop. Replace all these images with your images, wedding images. We can use this project for wedding anniversary also. Drag and drop one by one and resize the image, adjust image. Alt Lf make flatten image, then Control S and Control W, close the image. Replace all these images. Drag and drop one by one. Alt Lf, Control S, Control W. I replaced all the images. Now open the After Effects. Minimize this folder, close. Open After Effects. And now open the project again. Open project, don't save, Wedding Day. Open project again. Now check, all the images are replaced. Now we can change the text also. Here you can see guys in this timeline. Now change here. See this beautiful couple, double tap and change the text like this. Change here, happy moments. So guys, you can change all the text like this. And now for music, drag and drop your audio in After Effects. Drag and drop audio in After Effects here. Drag and drop in the composition. Now let's Wedding Day. I type date here. Now export this project. H264. Remember guys, turn on output audio. If you not turn on audio, your project video, after export your video will be soundless. Wedding day 001. Start trending.